How to restore or backup Firefox bookmarks or profile on Windows PC. There are several ways to restore or backup Firefox bookmarks or profile on Windows, such as using the Firefox library window, using the Firefox sync feature, using a manual backup file. To use the Firefox library window, you need to do the following: open Firefox and click the library button on your toolbar. Click Bookmarks and then click the Show All Bookmarks bar at the bottom. In the library window, click the Import and Backup button and then select Backup or Restore depending on your need. Choose a location to save or load the backup file, which is named bookmarks-date.json by default. To use the Firefox sync feature, you need to do the following: create a Firefox account and sign in on all your devices that you want to sync. Go to Settings Sync and choose what data you want to sync, such as bookmarks, history, passwords, etc. Wait for Firefox to sync your data across your devices. To use a manual backup file, you need to do the following: locate your Firefox profile folder on your Windows PC. You can find it by typing %of/Mozilla/Firefox/profiles/ in the Run dialog box or the File Explorer address bar. Copy the entire profile folder or the files that you want to backup, such as places.slide for bookmarks. Paste the copied folder or files to another location on your PC or an external drive. To restore your backup, copy the folder or files back to your profile folder and overwrite the existing ones.